to another unboxing video. This is actually a really fabulous deck, and it's really big here. So it is the Roses, Dust, and Ashes, the oracle that's featuring cemetery symbols by Stacey Williams. This deck is really amazing. If you like walking through cemeteries, this is actually going to help you with the symbolism in the cemeteries, which I happen to be one of those people. And Triple Goddess does carry these decks, so you can buy the deck from us. I'll have the link in the video below. So it comes in the shape of a coffin, and oh, look how fabulous. I need to show this. Though my soul may set in darkness, it will rise in perfect light. I have loved the stars too fondly to be fearful of the night. From the old astronomer to his pupil, by Sarah Williams. It comes with the pocket guide book. Beautiful, like literally a headstone. And it has all of the information. It actually talks about how graveyards became cemeteries, and it shows the cards. So let's jump in and take a peek at the cards. So the back of the cards is great. So those are all the cards in the Roses, Dust, and Ashes Oracle deck. available at Triple Goddess Apothecary and Reiki. If you like this video and you like this unboxing, don't forget to hit like, subscribe so you know when I have other unboxing and other videos posted, and of course hit notify, then you'll be notified right away and won't miss any videos. Have a blessed day.